Hi, my name is Vatsal Prajapati. My student ID is 1014141010, and today I'm going to talk about my first assignment for COMP2152. And in this, we have created a program for a retail store which allows their employees to have a specific discount and on based on a number of criteria such as the designation, numbers of years worked, and etc. So at first, uh, as we can see, I have created a function create employee, and in that I have asked the user to give an employee ID, name, uh, whether the designation is manager or hourly based, and then moving on, the user can also set the data for the number of years that they have worked. Then I have also given a discount number function as well, so which will help them to determine the discount, at what discount they want to have their price set. And then in the next statement, I have used append function to set the values to default for our list. And so this is for the create employees part. And then moving on for the second part, we have the item which we wanna buy at a discounted rate. So for that, I have created a create item function, and in that it's basically same as the employee one. So we'll ask the user for the item number, item name, cost, and yep, that's it. And then again appending the values to the default value, and then also displaying the current items which we will show in the code further. And yes, okay, so here is the part about the discount which we will calculate based on the number of years that they have worked. Like for example, it's 2% for each year for maximum of 10 years, and there are additional perks for managers as well, so they will have a more better discount rate. And then we have a make purchase function, so which will determine all the details that we will give out about employee details, our item details, and then combine with the calculated function. So it will be a combination of all of our previous functions. We will be using the distant logic over here, then the total cost, as well as the calculate discount as well. So this is it for the purchasing function. And then at last we have all employee summary. So this will showcase our data for our employees that we will create our list in. So that's basically it. And this is a simple menu that I have created as shown in the PDF given. So yeah, we have 5 different choices for our code. Okay, so now I will run the code and then we will see how it works. Okay, we have 5 options, so we will create an employee first. Okay, I will give the details. Okay, now it asks that do you wanna add another employee, and on above that our first employee has been added, so we will type yes, add another employee, give another ID and all the details. Okay, now we can choose not to add any other employee as it is sufficient for us. Okay, now it will give us drive us back to the menu. So now we will see what do you want to do? So at first I will check are my employees have been added or not. So I will just press 4 and see my employee data summary. And yes, you can see as employee ID 11, my first employee is Vatsal, who's manager, worked 6 years and all. Second is employee ID 22, John, working on hourly based. He has worked 5 years, and these are the discount number. Okay, so now we will create an item. Okay, at first it asks our item number, which can be any random number, let's say 46, and then the name of the item we can choose anyone. So here I will choose an iWatch for no particular reason, and the cost of an iWatch is roughly 599. Okay, now it again asks if do we want to add another item or no. I can directly add a new number, let's say 36. This time let's go for an iPad uh, for 899. Okay, now that's it. Two items are enough for us. So now I'm gonna say no, and then we are back to our menu, main menu. Okay, now so we will go ahead and purchase an item. Okay, so we have two items. Item 46, which is an iWatch at 599. Item 36, which is an iPad at 899. So it shows which item number you want to purchase. I will go for an iWatch 46. Okay, now enter your employee discount number. So this is the employee discount number which we have set earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and write what was it? 56, I guess. Yes. Yeah, I think I have chose a different number. So yeah, so I'm gonna just press no and go out of that window and just gonna check it for you. Yeah, it was 55. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is the end of my code. Yeah, everything is running. Okay, thank you.